He's 19. He flew from LA today. He lives in San Diego. And truthfully, his first flight. Okay? And he's here today because QuestSoft believes in a 15-second transaction and getting it right every time.
15-second transaction?
My wife says.
We're going to put him John in the bed.
That's your problem. Okay? Anyway, we're taking the complexity out of compliance. It's fun. Daniel's going to show us how. Okay? Everybody watching?
All right.
Okay.
Go.
Wait. That makes him nervous.
Okay.
Slow down just a little bit.
All right.
Okay. All right. You ready, Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. No job offers, guys. We got them. Okay? You know, everybody thought a New York minute was quick. Our QuestSoft.
Awesome.
Let's do that one more time, okay? You mix it up. He's going to do it one-handed. One-handed. Okay. You know, QuestSoft, they say we run all these transactions. He just sits in the back room and does them for us. We don't need a computer.
One-handed.
One-handed, of course.
Yeah, there you go.
Can I take it apart, put the labels? Can I take the stickers off and put it back on?
If you take the stickers off, then he'll just do it. He'll be done. They got all
right. There you go.
All right, one-handed, guys.
All right,
ready?
Daniel.
Okay, you guys ready?
Okay, go.
Come to Atlantic City with me next time.
All right.
Be counting cards with me before you know it. We're making a lot of money.
We'll see. Bump. I was a little early.
Did you play guitar too?
No, I don't.
Okay, there we go. One hand.
Nice job. That was impressive.
I got my coin. There you go. Awesome. Thank you. This is sweet. Thank you very much. I love that.
No, it's not. It was 6 seconds.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. You're going to make it. You're striving for that.
So what else can I do?
One hand. What was that?
No, sorry.
I told you.
There you go. It's an open day, right?
All right.